Hey everybody, this is Dan for GemmyD on Cars Now. I hope you are joining me just after you watch my review of this. This is a 2013 Porsche Boxster. This car has a 2.7 liter flat 6-cylinder engine, 265 horsepower. It should go 0 to 60 in around 5.5 seconds. So in this video, we're going to take it out for a drive. Now, I've driven a Porsche before, the Taycan, earlier, but I've never driven a rear engine 6-speed manual Porsche before, so that's why I wanted to take a look at this car. Now, I've borrowed this car from Click Lewis Chevy Buick in Palmyra, Pennsylvania. Whoever's watching this, you can come buy this car. This car is on sale for $31,500. So in this video, we're going to take it out for a drive and see just how fun it is as an entry-level Porsche for 2013. So here we go. Fun fact, the Porsche key looks like an actual car. So here we go. Now, just like every Porsche that has ever been made, almost, the starter is on the left-hand side. So here we go. So we are going to take this out on my new road that I drove on. I just drove the Mazda Miata on this route that we're going to take now. This clutch, it could not be more different than the Miata that I just drove. It is so much more heavier, but that is okay. Did not stall it. It is very heavy, but it shows you that you're gonna have to work for it a little bit just to get where you want to go. Now, as with every Porsche, you've got a centrally located tachometer right in front of you. This shifter is really smooth to operate. It's just awesome hearing a car and hearing the engine behind you. Oh, I just got a thumbs up. Hey, buddy. Oh, that doesn't happen very often. So we're gonna go on my new favorite route in a Porsche Boxster. So this is the second car that I've reviewed today, and already it is very, very different, but obviously the cars are very different. One being a rear engine, the other being a rear-wheel drive front engine, both 6-speed manual. This car actually feels way heavier too, but it is. I mean, a Mazda Miata is about the lightest car you could ever get. And yeah, this feels bigger and heavier. I seem to fit okay in this car. I really had to put the seat back, but it is comfortable. Leather seats are nice. I'm just kind of pinching myself because I'm driving a Porsche Boxster. You know, I said in the other video, this car is essentially the entry-level Porsche for 2013. There's even a Boxster S that has a different engine and more power than this one. But it sounds great. It handles pretty well so far. We're definitely going to try out the twisties and see how it feels. But yeah, this is a car, really, it just feels like from another era. It's 2020, this is a 2013. There is not one button on the steering wheel, you know, which any car that I've ever reviewed always has so many buttons on the steering wheel. But yeah, this is from a different era, but it's still a sports car that is fun to drive so far. Oh, there's a Ferrari. Oh! Oh my God, that sounded good. That was a 458. Woo, my dream car. Oh, when I got about over 3,000. Wow, it really started to sing. Whoa! That sounds good. And this car will rev all the way up to like 7,500. And I said at 3,000 it started to get crazy. Wow. I'm just gonna give him a little bit of space. I mean, it's a Porsche sports car. Of course it's gonna be amazing, but wow. Oh my gosh. I mean, as an entry-level sports car, I mean, get out out of here. That is more than capable. Yeah, I actually like that the clutch is kind of heavy. It means you sort of got to focus on what you're doing. Alright, we're good to go here. I'm going to stay. I'll go second gear. Wow. I sort of messed up the clutch a little bit there. But wow. Yes. It's addicting, people, I tell you. I mean, being a naturally aspirated engine, it takes a little bit. If I just got on it there, I mean, I am in fourth gear. It sounds so good, and it's gonna sound even better when I put the top down too. Just to test out the handling. Come on, this is amazing. I wanted to put the top down. Here's the glorious 6-speed shifter right here. Hey, it's the mailman. All right, so we're gonna pop the top. Fully powered. I think I'll really be able to hear that flat 6 back there. All right, here we go. Oh yes, I can already hear it even better. Yeah, it sounds good. Sounds good. Oh, yes. That is amazing. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. If I just get on the throttle after this car comes. Oh my goodness. Wow, this car can really, it's really playful. It just wants to go. Alright, so I'm in fourth gear. Even in fourth gear, if I get on it, oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna go into third gear on this turn. Oh my gosh. The handling is really good, really sharp. Just a little bit of gas, you really can hear it. Yeah, this car really sounds good, and once you get up in the rev range a little bit, it sounds so much better. Yeah. Yeah. There's no turbos or anything just to like spool up or anything. It's really just your right foot and that shifter. The sky is really raining on my parade here. Oh yeah, this is quite a car. As an entry-level car, forget entry-level, it's amazing as any type of sports car. And I will admit, I have not driven that many sports cars, but holy shit, this is capable. Wow, this is incredible. I mean, what more could you want out of a sports car? Sure, you could have a little bit more power, but the sound is there, the performance is there, the handling is there. It's a Porsche, of course. I mean, they really have this sports car thing down, and I can already say that as this being the first Porsche sports car I've ever driven. The only other experience I had is with that Taycan, which is just another level, but another world of type of car with all the electricity. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. That would never, ever get old. I mean, come on, this is just incredible. From an entry-level Porsche, I can no longer say that. It's just a solid. Alright, so I'm nestled back in my spot next to the GT350 and the Supra, and this car affirms a couple things to me. Number one, Porsche can do no wrong. They make incredible sports cars. This is the first sports car Porsche that I've drove, and the performance and the sound is just incredible. And this car is 7 years old. It makes me think that I can't imagine what the current day Porsches are like, and I hope I will get a chance to someday review them. It also makes me think that I just drove the Miata RF earlier today as well, so that is really fresh in my mind, and it makes me think that there is no replacement for displacement. This car is a 6-cylinder straight, flat six, like 100 more horsepower than that car, but it just, the more power and sound really adds to the equation. Duh, I know, I'm not saying anything news breaking, but that car was a blast to drive, but this car was just a little bit more fun to drive just because it performed a little bit better, handled just as well, the sound was incredible. I need to get a Porsche someday. I would buy this car over a Miata, but it's a different market. This car's 30,000, that car's 20,000. But anyway, this is a really enjoyable car to drive. I loved every second of it. If you're watching this, you can buy this car at Click Lewis Chevy Buick in Palmyra, PA. ClickLewisCars.com. I will put it right here. What a day! I drove two very different but amazing manual roadsters. What a time to be a car guy. If this car is 7 years old and it performs that well, I can't imagine what current day cars are like. So leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. I'm having a great day being a car guy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at GemmyD. So thanks for watching. Leave me a comment below, and I will see you on the next one. See ya.